Okay, now I show you how to make a steamed dumpling sauce. The ingredient only a few. This one sweet soy sauce, salt, 1 tablespoon of salt. This one the whole bottle, and this one 100 ml of white vinegar. This one about 3 tablespoons of garlic oil, 3 tablespoons of chili sauce. That's it for all the ingredients. And okay, we start to boil this one. Okay, we pour this one. We boil this one with the white vinegar, okay, with a medium heat. And then we add water, half a bottle of this. Yeah, half bottle.
Get the rest of the juice inside.
Yeah. And this sauce you can keep for a few months in the cold temperature or even normal temperature, room temperature. 1 tablespoon of salt. Yeah, 3 tablespoons of chili sauce. Again. And then white vinegar, about 100 ml of white vinegar. And you boil with a medium heat about 10 or 15 minutes until become thick.
Very thick.
Well, not very thick. If very thick, you cannot take out thick.
And the garlic is just
The
on
last,
the top.
not for the top. Last, when this one thick, just put the garlic.
Ah, so
Yeah.
So then when you put in the sauce,
Yeah,
as well,
put in the sauce.
and then when you serve, you put on the top.
Yeah, a little bit more. Just put the dry garlic. Right. Right. The thought getting sick. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. The thought getting thick now. Yeah, you can see. Okay. Then we put just 2 tablespoons first. Then we put the garlic oil. Okay, add one more. And the rest you can keep in the fridge. You better leave it outside. Nah. I take look there. I want to say something. Okay, when this not cool down, you can put in the container or in the bottle. Then you can store in the cold room, the normal fridge, the cold temperature can last a few months. And then if you want to if you want to eat or you want to use it again, you just put in a microwave about 1 minute. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you. Bye.